Alright guys, the time has finally come. You've seen me put tubes all around this rig, and in today's episode we're finally going to tackle the front end. We're going to finish out this front bumper, make something that's a little more presentable, looks a little cooler, add some protection, and also gives us a great spot to mount these new Oxbeam 360 Pro driving lights that I'm excited to show you guys, and I'm stoked to have on the rig as my sort of main lighting component. Let's get to it.
Look at these bad units right here. These things look slick, huh? There.
I've had this front end cobbled together now since basically I started doing this build, and all of these lights are just serving different functions and none of it looks any good, so I'm really excited to rip all of this stuff off here and finally finish out this front end, get a nice looking final product as well as a nice functioning final product.
Well, plot twist, I don't have any tube, so I don't know how that happened. I thought I had some, so this is as far as we got. And with the magic of film and the magic of editing, here we are picking up where we left off with a bunch of tube to get this bumper built. Ready? Man, boys, I got this notch lined up perfect. 35-degree pullback. I got these perfectly in line, even though it doesn't look like it on camera. The problem is, my notcher won't cut it.
fuck. Wow, what do you think, boys? I think this thing's starting to look really good. I get those lights on there, but I got both sides looking pretty even, pretty happy with it. I'm probably gonna notch this off right here, maybe at an angle to follow this, cap it. But I think it's a good start. Great start. It's a good profile. I wanted this thing to be like, yeah, look at how this thing barely protrudes. You know, like you buy an aftermarket bumper, it's like this. This whole winch is fully exposed out here. I mean, you're out here. This thing's tucked up nice and flat up against the nose there. So I'm pretty jazzed. All right, let's keep going. For me, this was probably one of the hardest parts of the build. I lack a little bit of creativity and a little bit of skill, and I just could not get these sides of the bumper to look like I wanted to. I went through so many different variations, and I wasted a bunch of tube, and I just don't have enough skill to really put down on paper what I have in my head. But I ended up getting real frustrated, so I went home that night and took the night off, and I was able to come back in the next day and get right back to business and pump out something that I'm actually pretty proud of. It's really shaping up nice. I'm really happy with the way it looks. All I got left to do now is paint it and install a really slim winch fair lead, which I got on order. So without further ado, and fully reassembled and fully painted, here is the final product. Alright, let's talk about these lights real quick. Oxbeam sent me over a pair of their 360 Pro Series driving lights, and these things are insanely bright. First of all, I love the way they look, this round design. I think it looks super cool on the front of the 4Runner. I have another set that I'm going to use on the front of my rock crawler to replace the round headlights I have in there right now. But these things pump out a blistering 33,000 lumens. When I tell you I can see into the next town, I'm not kidding. These things are unbelievable, and I'm super happy to have Oxbeam support the channel, and I'm super happy to promote their products. So please check out oxbeam.com and click the link down in the description if you want a discount, if you want to purchase some of these products, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Use code MAD12, MAD12 on oxbeam.com for 12% off anything on their website, the entire site. And also, guys, don't forget I'm doing a giveaway. Check out the giveaway video, and 20% off site-wide at mechanicaladventures.com for your entire order. Check it out, and we'll see you on the next one.